Hey guys, so I'm going to be baking a cake, and this is going to be for work tomorrow. I'm going to be doing a flat one in this pan right here, so 13 by 9. I'm not going to bore you with all of the, you know, whatever, chit chat and stuff like that, but okay, so simple. Such a dingbat. Alright, so it was basically, the box just called for 1 cup of water. Oh shoot, I forgot the water. Okay, so 1/4 cup of oil, eggs. I gotta do water. I'm such a goof, I swear. I'm sitting here looking at it like, boy, this doesn't look like very, moist. Oh my god. Okay. Here. Alright, sorry about that, guys. Okay. No do-overs on this one. Alright, so drop that puppy in there. And it says to basically mix on medium for 2 minutes. Alright, so when that is done, then I'll show you the rest. Okay, so I got it all mixed and it looks all pretty good here. So I'm going to just take it and pour it in the bowl. Sorry, my tripod's acting up. Don't exactly know why. Didn't really do that before. Alright, so just gonna pour this in here. Funfetti, I don't know how this is going to go over at work, I mean, I know there's a whole lot of adults, but there's also people with disabilities and stuff, and they like this kind of stuff, A lot of people like to feel like they're a kid again, too. This is my son's favorite cake, I don't know why, but he always loved Funfetti, so I would just buy it when he was like, 8 to 13 years old, and he was like, gotta have it, gotta make it, Mom. And then when he got to old enough to a point, he started making it on his own. So, yeah. But I think he likes the white one. Not the pink batter, but the white batter. Got a bunch of dishes to do now. Alright, so we're going to set this in when it beeps, and then this will be the topper, which is just, vanilla, and then I'll sprinkle all the sprinkles on it for them. So what I usually do with situations like this is that I will cook the cake, and then why this isn't standing so tall, I'm not sure. It used to be a little taller, whatever. And yes, it's on all 3 pegs, so it's opened. So I'll bake it, and then I'm going to let it sit out. I'll pull it out and let it sit on a cooling rack covered and everything all night. And then that way tomorrow, before I go to work, I'm going to ice it and put the sprinkles on. And that's usually how I do stuff like that. Because as you guys know, when something comes out of the oven hot, like the cakes, and you try to put the icing on, it rips up the cake. So, yep. So this is my short little video on that. And I got chicken cooking because I got 3 packs of chicken breasts on sale at Walmart. They were $3 and I think 21 or $3.71 a pack. But yep, so I'm boiling them up and I'm gonna make something out of that. So I'll show you guys the cake when I'm done. Mwah. Bye. Whew. Jersey weather, baby. East Coast weather. Weather all over the world. Ha 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 ha. It is Saturday and it started snowing at 11:30. Pretty much on cue, guys. Good thing is I'm not working today. Yay. But it is, look at that. I mean, it's around noon. So it didn't take too long for it to start covering, but it's so pretty. And it doesn't feel like it's very, very cold. So it's kind of colder than it normally is when it snows, if you get what I mean. But you can actually hear it. So it's like that snow and sleet. But yeah. Oh, I so miss the days of going out and doing donuts. Isn't it beautiful, guys? What I won't do for my cats and my butt. Yep, a few items that I forgot to grab on my way out of work last night. Yep. This is just so pretty. Oh, so pretty. East Coast snow, babies. Okay, now I can relax.